Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Index funds have been gaining popularity over the past few years. Mr. Warren Buffett has stated the benefits of index investing a lot of times. So what exactly is an index fund? What are the advantages and disadvantages of index investing? Let's find out. Firstly, what is a stock market index? It is an indicator designed to reflect the performance of the entire stock market. A stock exchange generally has hundreds and thousands of listed companies. It is impossible for one person to track each one of them. So to track the overall sentiment of the entire stock market, a stock market index is created. It is basically a group of stocks from different industries. A stock market index generally contains stocks from all the prominent industries, and these stocks are generally the market leaders of their particular industry. Take the Nifty 50 for example. It is an index of 50 stocks. These stocks are the biggest companies from various sectors like FMCG, pharma, telecom, auto, etc. Now, how the index performs depends on how the stocks in the index perform. But in general, over the long term, the index keeps going up as the economy grows. Now, coming to index funds. These are funds that buy the exact same stocks that are present in the index and in the exact same proportion. In short, their purpose is to replicate the performance of the index. As this job requires no skills, the asset management company that creates the index fund does not hire a fund manager and a research team. So, a lot of expenses are saved and the fees for index funds is quite low. It is generally 0.1 or 0.2%. So, one of the advantages of index funds, as you already know, is low management fees. Another advantage is that you get a ready-made diversified portfolio of the biggest companies in the country. Due to this diversification, the risk is lower as compared to direct stock investing and you get decent returns in the long run. Now, coming to the disadvantages of index funds. Firstly, I would like to tell you why Warren Buffett's advice of index investing is not completely applicable to India. USA is a developed market. Due to this, a much higher percentage of people participate in the stock markets in the USA. Due to this, it is very difficult to find undervalued stocks in the USA. On the other hand, the market participation in India is quite low. This makes it quite easy to find undervalued securities. A good fund manager can find undervalued stocks and invest in them to get very good returns. The same thing cannot happen with an index fund because it has to strictly replicate the index. Another problem with index funds is that it invests in almost all the prominent industries. But is it necessary that each and every industry is worth investing in? Some industries are inherently poor performing as compared to others. But if you invest in an index fund, you indirectly invest in all of these sectors which may not be worth investing in. Also, the biggest companies whose stocks have rallied a lot are included in an index. It may happen that they are overvalued. Nevertheless, an index fund still invests in it. So to conclude, I would like to tell you what my opinion is on index investing. Index investing is not completely good or completely bad, but at this age, I would not invest in an index fund because although the returns are decent, they are not high enough for the kind of wealth creation I want. However, there is nothing wrong in investing a small part of your portfolio in an index fund. Also, for middle-aged people and senior citizens who have a low risk appetite but still want to invest in equity, index funds is a very good option. They should definitely invest in it because the risk is lower as compared to direct equity investing and also the returns on an average are higher than FD. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for my upcoming videos. Do share it with your friends and family who might be interested in finance. Also, if you have any video recommendations or if you want to discuss about any topic with me, you can connect with me on my social media handles. I've put the link in the description. Stay tuned. Thank you.